Welcome to the video. I'm going to take this landscape model and I'm going to show you a different way of adding a beveled edge to the object. So I've imported a plane here. What I'll do first is I'll resize it to generally the right size, and I'm going to delete the face, just the face, because I want to keep the vertices. So that's going to happen now. And what I do next is I grab each side, bring it down to overlap the object, so it just this shape's going to slice up the side of the object, so I'm just going to overlap it slightly. So dragging all the sides into position. I'm then going to select all the vertices and use the standard bevel tool, which is Control-Shift-B, and you can make them the radius bigger or smaller by moving your mouse inwards and outwards, but you can also use the scroll wheel to add a few more vertices for a bit more detail. Get a smoother rounded corner on that edge. And then I've moved all that downwards so it's clear of the object, and I'm just going to add a little bit of thickness to this by pressing E and S to extrude it but scale it outwards, so I've got the kind of shape that I want to drag up the sides. I will then select it all again and extrude it upwards so it's like a little container, but importantly it's kind of overlapping the edges to create that radius on the bevel. And I'm going to go into the modifier for the landscape and select a Boolean modifier with a difference between the two objects. Select the box on the outside, and it's not done what I expected here, but sometimes what I've learnt is I've got to click change the solver in the modifier to fast rather than exact, and you can see there that the edges have been rounded off, and that's exactly what I needed. I hid the other object, and I can export this as my STL file that I need. Thanks for watching.